Adhananiya Sabhapati Mahoday, I rise to discuss the grave and humanitarian situation in Manipur. The entire state is in a humanitarian crisis. And instead of finding a solution, the government is sending paramilitary forces and enforcing the Armed Force Special Powers Act. This is not addressing the cycle of violence. Extortion has become rampant. Economy is shattered. Basic public services are on the brink of collapse. Unfortunately, there has been a rise in the illegal trade of arms, drugs, and timber. The impact on the lives of ordinary people has been devastating. School, colleges closed. Thousands of students, their education is at risk. Healthcare facilities damaged or destroyed. Fear and uncertainty has gripped the population. Madam Chairperson, the time for inaction is over. The people of Manipur are suffering. They have only 3 questions in mind. The first question is, when will the Prime Minister visit Manipur? The second question is, when will the Minister of Home Affairs apprise the House that what will be taken to resolve the situation? And the third is that this government, in order to hide their failure in Manipur, is using George Soros as a shield to hide their failures. They hide their failures, sir.
And let the nation know what is the connection between George Soros and all these internal disturbances. The Congress party is responsible for internal disturbances in the country, and they are using foreign forces. They have an excess and a tie-up with foreign forces, due to which the country is facing internal